Good morning. Today I am going to teach you the graphical representation of motion. Graph and its type. A graph is a pictorial representation of observation. It consists of two variables. One is independent variable and other is dependent variable. Independent variable is taking along x-axis and dependent variable is taking along y-axis. There are many types of graph in physics. Some of them are as follow: distance time graph, displacement time graph, velocity time graph, and acceleration time graph. ये distance time graph, the change in picture of a body with time can be represent, represented on the distance time graph. In this graph, distance is taken on the y-axis and time is taken on x-axis. The distance time graph for uniform speed is in a straight line, that is a linear. This is because in uniform speed a body travels equal distance in equal interval of time. We can determine the speed of body from the distance time graph. They are used to find the speed or velocity of body. The slope of its give speed of body. Here, graph for uniform motion. This type of motion is defined as the motion of an object in which the object travel in a straight line and its velocity remain constant along that line as it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, irrespective of the duration of time. Here you are saying that time and distance graph. In 1 second, 10 meter in 2 second, 20 meter in 3 second, 30 meter in 4 second. So they are in the vehicle is moving in a uniform speed. Example of uniform motion. If the speed of a car is 10 meter per second, it means that car covers 10 meters in 1 second. The speed is constant in every second. Always, that is the 10 meters. Movement of blade of ceiling fan. You see the movement of blade of ceiling fan. It speed is a constant. Second, non-uniform motion. This type of motion is defined as the motion of an object in which the object travels with varied speed and it does not cover same distance in equal interval of time, irrespective of the time interval graph. In non-uniform motion, you see the speed of any vehicle is not in a constant. That is why the graph in not in a straight line. Example of non-uniform motion. If a car covers 10 meter in first 2 seconds and 15 meter in next 2 seconds. In first 2 seconds, the car is moving 10 meter. In second 15 seconds, the car in second 2 seconds, the car is moving 15 meter. The speed of car is not a constant. So it is a graph is not in a straight line. The motion of a train. The speed of the train is not at constant. Sometimes it is a 60 kilometers, sometimes it is a 80, sometimes it is a 40 kilometer. Question related to uniform and non-uniform motion. What is a uniform motion? Give few real life example of uniform motion. What is non-uniform motion? Give real life problem on non-uniform motion. What is the nature of distance time graph for uniform motion? You write in your copy and do this question in your copy. If you are not attached in Google Class, I am sending this video in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.